In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de40 on Windows 11. This pesky error can interrupt your workflow by preventing OneDrive from syncing your files properly. Luckily, there's a straightforward process to resolve it, and we'll walk through it together right now. We begin by accessing the Run dialog box on your computer. Simply press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This shortcut promptly brings up a small window that will allow us to enter specific commands. In the text box provided, type in inetcpl. That's inetcpl.cpl. Once typed, click OK. This command opens the Internet Properties window, which contains settings crucial for the operation of OneDrive. Next, let's navigate to the Advanced tab in the Internet Properties. Click on the Advanced tab to view a list of options related to security protocols. Here, we're interested in ensuring that Transport Layer Security, commonly known as TLS, is properly configured. Scroll through the list until you find Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2. Make sure each of these boxes is checked. TLS is essential for safely creating a secure connection, which is necessary for OneDrive to sync seamlessly. After verifying TLS settings, we move to the next step, configuring LAN settings. Click on the Connections tab located next to the Advanced tab. Here, press the button labeled LAN Settings. A new window will appear displaying various options for internet configuration. In this section, focus your attention on the checkbox labeled Automatically Detect Settings. Ensure this box is checked. This setting allows your computer to automatically configure internet connectivity, which often resolves issues that could be hindering OneDrive. Once you have verified all these settings, it's time to apply the changes. Simply press OK in the LAN Settings window, and then click Apply followed by OK in the Internet Properties window. These actions will ensure your settings are saved and implemented. As our final step, we need to reset OneDrive itself. This refreshes its connection with the server and applies all the configurations we just established. You can do this by finding the OneDrive app, right-clicking its icon in the taskbar, and selecting Close OneDrive. Then, simply restart OneDrive by navigating to it in your program list and launching it again. By following these steps, you should find that error 0x8004de40 is resolved, allowing OneDrive to function properly. If the issue persists, it might be worth checking for any security software that could be blocking the connection or seeking further technical support. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.